Let's explore the top 10 smallest dog breeds, each with its unique charm and petite stature. Chihuahua, tiny marvel, 6 inches to 9 inches. Pomeranian, fluffy ball of energy, 6 inches to 7 inches. Yorkshire Terrier, dainty elegance, 7 inches to 8 inches. Maltese, delicate beauty, 8 inches to 10 inches. Papillon, butterfly-like grace, 8 inches to 11 inches. Dachshund, sausage-shaped sweetheart, 5 inches to 10 inches. Shih Tzu, imperial lapdog, 9 inches to 10.5 inches. Italian Greyhound, sleek elegance, 13 inches to 15 inches. French Bulldog, adorable bully, 11 inches to 12 inches. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, regal cuddler, 12 inches to 13 inches.